Our online library is made up of over 100 individual databases. OneSearch is a tool that enables you to search many of those individual databases simultaneously. OneSearch is the search box in the middle of the library's homepage. When you enter a Boolean keyword search like this, you'll be taken into the OneSearch database. In the upper left, you'll see your search, which you can modify. And you'll see the results of your search in the middle of the screen, scholarly articles and other sources. If you scroll down, on the left-hand side, you'll see a partial list of content providers, meaning individual library databases that OneSearch has found results in. Click on Show More to get the complete list of individual databases. You can even update your search to get results only from selected individual databases, such as SocIndex with full text, a sociology database. The left-hand side of the OneSearch results screen contains other useful limiters: peer-reviewed, that is, scholarly, articles only, publication date, and source types. In addition to using OneSearch, it can help to search individual library databases. These so-called subject-specific databases contain content from the perspective of a specific academic discipline or subject area, for example, sociology, as we saw above. To find subject-specific databases for your research topic, from the library homepage, click on Subject Guides. From the list, choose a subject guide related to your research topic or to the class you're taking. Go to Recommended Databases to see a list of subject-specific databases useful for your research topic. Please contact the library anytime through Ask a Librarian.